Hey, did you know that Kenwood has a new line of dash cams that we're excited to announce? Stay tuned and we'll talk about it some more. Hey guys, Kelvin here from Kenwood, and today we want to talk about our new line of dash cameras. Now, these dash cameras have a slew of common features, such as parking mode that's accessible with our hardwire kit, as well as motion sensing. Wireless connectivity is improved as well with our new application that does allow for geo information within the application itself, and it does have built-in GPS sensors as well as motion sensors. Now, kicking off with the first model, which is going to be the DRV A310W. Now, this camera is a full HD recording camera, and it is compatible with a rear camera that can be purchased separately, as well as it does share the same form factor as all of the other cameras. Now, next up is going to be the DRV A510W DP. Now, this camera does step it up in resolution, providing a wide quad HD recording. It does come bundled with the rear camera as well, which is the KCA R110. Now, this rear camera is completely waterproof. It does come with a slew of mounting options for you, allowing you to put it inside the vehicle as well as outside. And it does have the capability for motion sensing. So by adding this camera, you now have a full solution for motion sensing in the rear and the front. If you're tuning in from Canada, the packaging is a little different because it does not come included. However, it is still compatible with this unit. Now, last but not least is going to be the DRV A610W DP. Now, this camera steps it all the way up to 4K with the resolution, as well as the camera that is included, which is the KCA R210, provides a wide quad HD recording experience for the rear. All right, there you have it, guys. Our brand new line of dash cameras that we're very excited to present to you. If you want to learn more or more information, head over to kenwood.com.